Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 22 minus 22 multiply 44 minus 44. So most people solve this question like 22 minus 22 is equal to 0. Then 44 minus 44 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we in this question, hmm, okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, and D means division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. M means addition and S means subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now in this question, first priority is this multiplication. So is equal to 22 minus 22 multiply 44 is equal to 968 minus 44. Okay. Now is equal to 22. Here is a one subscription and here also is one subscription. Both have equal priorities. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subscription. Okay. So 22 minus 968 is equal to 946 minus 44. Sorry, minus 946 minus 44 is equal to minus 990. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 990. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer.